Hey guys, CC Mentor here. Jeffrey Howard, your cryptocurrency mentor, rocking and rolling with crypto. Man, what a ride this last day has been. Has it been fun? Hopefully it's been fun. Yeah, there's been a lot of really cool stuff that's gone on the last 24 hours. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about what I see and what's going on in the world where we are living in the crypto markets. Before I go on too much further, though, do me a favor real quick and hit that red subscribe button for me if you haven't done so already. Like the video if you like what you see here, and come back and catch more. I'm going to be making more and more videos as we go, and really enjoying this crypto market. I'm having so much fun. Looks like a roller coaster. Let's first talk about the all-time high in Bitcoin yesterday. Oh my Lord, what happened? Why did it happen? Well, there might have been a little bit of news. Let's see. Oh yeah, the Segwit2X fork that everybody was anticipating. Money moving into the market, wanted to pick up that fork money. Oh, and the fork kind of got forked, didn't it? Yeah, they made the announcement yesterday. For lack of consensus, non-consensus, they canceled the fork. It was going to happen on the 14th, 15th, 16th November, somewhere in that range. Everybody said around the 16th. What you gonna do? Well, you know what? I'm going to comment on that a little bit later, but let's talk about the price of Bitcoin, and let's talk about a couple things about what this market's doing right now. So we're looking at about the last week or so in the Bitcoin market. And, you know, you can see here that once the market actually broke out of about 7,000, didn't really want to dance too far below that. There was a really strong support level right around that $7,000 level. And I felt like that was going to hang pretty tight. You know, it's a little bit less, 69.47 here. You can see it went down a little bit, you know, even closer to 6,900, but it really didn't close very often below that $7,000 mark. And then the announcement came, and ba-boom, ba-bing, the massive spike all the way up to, where did it go? Almost 7,900. And then so many people were saying there's going to be a massive sell-off. This is it. This is the big correction. It's going to turn around. It's going to lose half its value. It's going to lose a third of its value. Did it happen? No. You know, I almost put some money into Tether, but I decided to just sit with it because I kind of felt like we were just going to settle right back to where we started. And this whole move started right around here, 72, 7,300, and went right back down to where are we at right now? You know, we're right here at 71, 83, 84, and this is 5 p.m. Pacific time on the 9th of November. So again, we're sitting on a pretty tight, solid support level here at 7,000. Could it go down? Of course it could. This is crypto, man. Anything can happen. It's a wild ride. It's the wild, wild west. But there's a couple of things happened yesterday that I think are really, really important to kind of keep in your mind as you move forward. Because this is, yes, a largely unregulated market, but it's kind of a self-regulated market at the same time. So let's just segue into Segwit2X. So there was an announcement that was made yesterday that they decided to cancel for non-consensus. What that basically means, and I'm not going to get into all the technical components of what that means. I'm not even sure I could explain it even if I knew, you know, all the details. But the bottom line is this: that non-consensus means that us as a community, the self-regulated community of cryptocurrencies, said, we're not liking this, okay? Maybe there's some things that need to be corrected. Maybe we do need to update and upgrade, but there's been all these previous forks in the marketplace over the last few months. There was the Bitcoin Cash fork in August, the Bitcoin Gold fork a few weeks ago, which had virtually no effect on the market. And then Segwit2X, or B2X, which, you know, was supposed to basically increase the block size by a full megabyte. But you know what? If the problem that we're trying to solve is speed of transaction and the fees in the transactions, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera, I mean, it seems like there's a better solution than that. I think most of the community either was really confused by the whole process, which was causing them to be nervous about doing anything. Notice there was a lot of money that moved out of alts into Bitcoin just simply because everybody wanted to grab the Segwit2X you know, coins when it came out. But the other side of that was there was a lot of confusion, And then people who were really sort of technically analyzing what was going on with the fork were saying this doesn't really solve the problem. It just basically puts a Band-Aid on the problem. Isn't there probably a better way? There must be a better way. With all these brilliant minds that are working on this project in this sort of open source area, couldn't there and shouldn't there be a better way? So the consensus was, we don't like it, we don't want it, we're not going to adopt it. That's us as a community who decided that. We said that, and boom, this is where I love the people that were behind the Segwit2X fork put out an announcement saying, because of the lack of consensus, we're not going to do it. So let that sink in for a second. Unlike the Federal Reserve or some, smoky room, cigar smoking, banker driven, working for the 2% kind of decision that gets made without us having any control whatsoever over it, the community at large said, wait a minute, we don't like what's happening here, and it didn't happen because of that. How cool is that? It gives me so much confidence, not only in Bitcoin, but in the cryptocurrency market all across the board. Well, then what happened? Big spike, big dip, big sell-off. Yeah, but did it crash? It didn't crash. And it settled in right here, still right at that support level of 7,000. Yeah, like I said, could it go down? Of course it could. It's crypto, man. We're rocking and rolling with crypto. We're here for the ride. Here for the ride. So, okay, let's take a look at the markets today. I wish I would have, actually I was just out of pocket all day yesterday while this was going on. I was kind of managing it by phone, and I didn't really have a chance to, I really wanted to make this video yesterday when it was all going on because it was fun, man. It was really, really cool. But you can see that Bitcoin's down just a little bit today from yesterday. But you can see that, look at all the alts. The altcoins, almost every one of them are up. Look at, Neo's up 2%. It was up huge yesterday. Omisego up finally. We've been looking at Omisego, holding on to some Omisego. OMG is up. It was up by, I think, 27% something yesterday. So we've just shifted to, in the time in the new day of the market right now. So we're just, seeing these moves starting to happen in the new day, the new trading day. Bitconnect down a little bit. Of course, it's tracking a lot more closely with Bitcoin right now, simply because of the fact that it's openly traded on the market now, and not just inside their own exchange. I'll talk about Bitconnect here in just a second too. But look at these, everything, all the alts, they're going up, 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 up. Great trading opportunities. All of the top 30, except for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are up, even after the second day of this big tumultuous move that happened yesterday. So how cool is that? Well, listen, I'm not a price predictor, and I'm not here to recommend cryptos, at least not here at this point. But it's just, again, it's such a fun time to be involved with this, because we're not, totally like catching the arrows in the back and the spears in the back, out here paving the trail, but we're still at that early stage where there's so many huge opportunities. Oh my gosh, it's just amazing what's available. So that's what's going on. All right, so more announcements, and then I'm going to cut this loose for now. But again, if you like what you're getting here, I'm going to be doing a lot more stuff moving forward. I really, really enjoy making these videos. So let's talk about Bitconnect, since it's, of course, one of our favorites. And first and foremost, I want to talk about one announcement that they made here. Should just be popping up. There it is. Removal of the Bitcoin Cash wallet. The Bitcoin Cash wallet. The Bitconnect team would like all members to withdraw all their Bitcoin Cash, the BCH, from the website before November 15th. There will no longer be deposits allowed in these wallets. So let's read more about that. What are they actually telling us here? Changes being made to the affiliate program. I'll talk about that in just a second as well. Okay, it didn't take us right to where I wanted to go to find out more about that. But the bottom line is Bitcoin Cash has not been really adopted in the way that the marketplace had hoped when they did that fork. So the result is that there's no real point for Bitconnect to accept Bitcoin Cash or to support that wallet. It's created confusion. It's caused brand new newbies to put send money over to their Bitcoin Cash wallet instead of their Bitcoin wallet, which creates bigger problems, etc. Also, a couple things, and this isn't brand new news, but because the Bitconnect coin is being traded on HitBTC, which is one of the major exchanges, that's we're seeing actual price fluctuations and the ability to trade outside of the Bitconnect exchange in the dashboard. And the last little thing I want to mention here, and this happened a few days ago, November 3rd, so just about almost a week ago now, they changed the affiliate program from a 7-tier affiliate program, starting at 7%, down to 0.5% at the 7th level, down to 3 affiliate levels. Level 1 is 5%, level 2 is 3%, level 3 is 2%. So what do you guys think about that? Is that a good thing? Is that a bad thing? I'm going to tell you, my personal opinion is, and this, I'm starting to actually make some money as an affiliate, which is nice, and I appreciate that. But I think the goal here is that Bitconnect is successful because it's standing on its own. It wouldn't surprise me to see that they either eliminate the affiliate program altogether, or better yet, make sure that if you are referring, and before you're allowed to get an affiliate commission, that you actually have to lend into the system. There are a lot of people out there on YouTube channels, I'm not going to name names, whatever. I mean, everybody to each his own, but who have just a little bit of Bitconnect lending in the system and are making huge amounts on referrals from all the videos and the marketing they're doing through social media. Look, I'm all about marketing. I'm all about affiliate marketing. I'm all about getting paid to do that. But if you don't have money invested in the system, or if you don't have a substantial amount of money invested in the system, that seems to me to reflect a belief in the system or a lack of belief in the system. And I think it's really important to have a really strong belief in the system if you're going to be credible as someone who's making referrals. So from my perspective, even though I've already got people, down below the 3rd level, I'm all for it. I'm all about it. It's fine. It's good. It's awesome. I think it's great. So wanted to make that announcement too. I'm sorry, you guys, I'm a little bit behind the times here just because I've had between a couple things in my personal world and a couple things in my business world, I've had to just be totally consumed for the last couple of days. I was just chomping at the bit to make this video yesterday, but I couldn't get to it. So what I'm going to do is just basically what I like to do right now is just say I'm going to wrap this video up. And I'm going to catch you again real soon with more. But, do subscribe to the channel and, put a comment below. Give me a thumbs up if you feel like you got something out of the video. But yes, what do you guys think about all this? What do you think about the affiliate changes? What do you think about where Bitcoin is going? I mean, we're in awesome times here. What do you think is going to look like this time next year? Give me your ideas. Give me your opinions. What do you guys think? And by the way, if you're not involved with Bitconnect yet, I do have my affiliate link in the description here. So if you came here because somebody else invited you here to take a look at something about Bitconnect, please go with them. Don't use my affiliate link. But it's, being on my team here, I'm going to do everything that I can to help you to be more successful, give you a better strategy. I mean, again, there's as many different ways to strategize the Bitconnect market as there is people in the market, I think. So for now, I am going to let you guys go. But again, do me a favor, hit like and subscribe. Stick around, come back for more, and I will talk to you real soon. Peace out. This is CC Mentor, Cryptocurrency Mentor, and we are rocking and rolling with cryptos. See ya. Bye for now.